या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि वसल्लिमू तस्लीमा। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। The rule which I have recited is a key to peace between three major religions: Abrahamic faith, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. What is the translation of this durood? I would like to tell you that what durood is saying: O Allah, bless the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the family of peace be upon Muhammad, as you blessed Prophet Abraham and the family of Prophet Abraham. Indeed, you are praiseworthy and glorious. Islam, Judaism, and Christianity, and all the religions, because they focus on family, and family is a school of love. Why we say school of love? Because it was created by Adam and Eve, and all we are equal in the eyes of God, and all we are equal in every society, in every country. We have seen some differences. We need to respect them. We need to protect the faith of other people. We need to respect the faith of other people. And we have to cherish that message which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has given to us. And what Quran is saying, it's a matter of unity. Hold fast, all of you, to the rope of Allah, and do not create disunity among yourselves. Unity is a will of God. If we have unity among children of Adam and Eve, then we could see peace in this world. And peace is a hope of our ages. Unity is a peace, unity is a hope of our ages. So we have to unite for the peace and prosperity of the world. It's the only and exclusive message of all the religions. Every religion talk about peace and prosperity and unity of all the people. So we have to see that how we could be united in the name of God. And in the end, I would, just recite 4 lines of poetry. रसूल पाक हो, ईसा हो या के मूसा हो। रसूल पाक हो, ईसा हो या के मूसा हो, ये सब हमारे हैं, इनसे हैं निस्बतें अपनी। रसूल पाक हो, ईसा हो या के मूसा हो, ये सब हमारे हैं, इनसे हैं निस्बतें अपनी। और चलो ये अहद करें आज के जमाने से, हर एक शख्स से होगी मोहब्बतें अपनी। रमजान करीम।
May I now request Ambassador